All right, well, give you guys a chance to meet. I think we're coming up with the name Clifford. That's going to be your name. It's going to be a complete restoration. It'll take 2 to 3 years, I promise. But we are going to drive her and take her down during the wintertime for big overhauls. So, just got her, but we love these old OBS Fords. We really do. It's been a while since we've been able to get another one. So, box is pretty rough. Frame is straight, frame is solid, frame is not rotted. Everything will come off. It'll get flaked over and descaled. As you can see, I mean, it's got some rust. It's leaking oil. It's a 7.3, but not horrible. The doors are pretty solid, got some rust. If we have to, we'll get doors. It'll be a rocker sections in the front. They are gone just underneath here. Give you guys a quick glimpse. I can tell I got some stuff on the camera here. It's kind of hazy, or maybe it's just, I don't know. Try to wipe it with a different shirt. Yeah, okay, well, you see the interior is in really good shape. Carpet's in good shape. Back doors, some surface rust starting. But that's all going to be fixed. Whole cab will come off. Oh, that's just a beautiful noise. So I'm going to show you how bad these rockers are. Everybody will tell you they can't fix them. It's too far gone. It's extended into here. You can see with my finger. It's just right here. Floor pan's okay, so we'll new rockers, weld them back in there. Doors are pretty much done and over with. If we have to find doors, so be it. Some fenders got put on it. Frame's pretty good. We're just doing some wheel bearings in it. The passenger side was making noise. It was all pitted, so I'll put new race in there. I didn't really film it. It's just doing wheel bearings. I guess if you guys want me to start filming, I am going to do a film for sure on the build on this. But if you guys want me to start filming auto as well, I mean, we do it all. So as you can see, it's got a fifth wheel and a gooseneck welded in here. So, but we're gonna get the frame all blasted and coated. Somebody chopped the exhaust off here. Everything's coated in oil. We have a high pressure oil leak. O-rings are coming. I do know how to do all this diesel work and everything, so it's not that big of a deal. But axles will come out. We're gonna just probably raise it up about 4 inches, put some rims on it, get her painted, and just make her look pretty. It'll be a tow haul rig for us to bring our machines everywhere we go. So, but yeah, that's Clifford. This is our new, to us, toy. And we're gonna put some work into her. Anybody else love these old OBS Fords? We absolutely love them. Thing starts on a dime. It's got 321,000 miles on it. Are we scared of that? Nope. Work on this stuff for a living. I can understand where people are like, well, it might be scary. You might have a bad engine, low on compression. Well, when we do the teardown, I'm gonna open it up and check the rings out, put some rings in it. So this will probably be a huge content for our YouTube channel. So you guys should definitely stay tuned. Hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll get some content rolling on this thing. So I'll bring my GoPro. We're gonna put some shocks in this thing. You guys think we should take this to Pennsylvania? Should we use it? Should we see if she'll make it? I think she'll make it. Front end's all tight. Everything's good to go. But we should take it. We should. I think we're gonna. And then another project we got going on. This will be a cool one. This will be another whole build series. So like I said, I got content to film if you guys want it. We got a 6.4 over here, right there. It's King Ranch, 2008. We took the 6.4 out of it. We were gonna build it, put it back in there, sold all this stuff to some guy. Drove about 6.5 hours away. So if he sees this channel, hey, how's it going? Hope that build's coming together for you. But we're gonna 12 valve that 6.4 out there. So, yep, we'll pull the cab and everything. So, enough rambling. I got work to do. We're gonna try to service these calipers. I guarantee we're just gonna have to put new ones on it. But so, just gotta grab a 3/8 impact driver. We love our Milwaukee tools. We stay busy. So, get this thing off. We'll squish the caliper, see if it'll squish. All right. Like, subscribe, and follow. We'll keep the content coming. You guys keep coming over. Follow. Come on. You know, this is we're doing this for you guys. Really, take some time, but we're gonna do it for you guys. We got turbo Z-force, got all that stuff, boosted Fox body, you name it. Plenty more to come. Catch you later.